The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now I'm going to present a video to you, and this video is going to show a female. In the video, the female talked about her daughter who had been shot and killed and her granddaughter who died. Now, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, don't have any understanding about the whole situation or about the incident, you can listen to the things that the female said in this video carefully, and you might get somewhat of an understanding about the whole situation. Alright? Now, some harsh language had been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Me call her the morning, me call her the morning, me call her, me can't get her. For sure you, me not even wear half pinky number. Me never have pinky number. I search and call people and find him and try call him. And when me call him, me not get him. And me left a message on his phone and me say, look here, I am calling the Orlando Police Department because you kidnapped Carla and Carly. So look out for the police coming. That for sure you, me and Pinky they no friend. And me keep on calling and me end up and me call 911 from Miami. Me. And when me call the police them say, ma'am, this is an emergency hotline. And me say, yes, it's an emergency. Because me normally would hear from me pitney and me no hear from her. And they say, okay, I'm going to transfer you to Orange County Police Department. And then give me the sheriff number. Me call the sheriff and the sheriff turned me and say, ma'am, they are young people. You know, sometimes they don't want to answer their parents. Did you and her have an altercation? Me say on a daily basis. Cause me call a morning, noon and night. All when you know to get up and cuss him. And so me stay because me wanted the best for her. I just wake up every day, sometimes call him and cuss him. Me see how much people want the opportunity to come and murder you sit down. And he take it for joke. Sometimes he say, mommy, he come like say, your band just say cuss me. All when me right, just say me wrong. All when me right, just say me wrong, cause me cuss him, morning, noon, and night. Me say, we are doing the like. Me say, Carly, alright, you know. You don't worry about Carly. Look about yourself. And the Orlando sheriff say, ma'am, they are young people. Sometimes they don't want to answer your parent. Me say, no, officer. If I cuss her 5 minutes ago, I'm a call her, she's gonna answer the phone for me to see the baby. She is gonna answer the phone. Something's definitely wrong. I am begging you, please go and check. Please check on her for me. This is not Carla. Cause me could have just class and place him. As me take up his phone, he answer it and he hand it to Carla. I don't save her name as Carla in my phone. Me save it as Carly baby. And the police them go over, they go check. They call me back in about 15 minutes and I was in class. And when they call me back, they say, it is sad to say, but there was a shooting at the apartment and Jordan got shot, but we don't know where your daughter and your granddaughter is. Me are telling us, me heart sink. Me jump up for around on my computer, me grab me key and jump in on my car with me say, when they travel to Orlando, I'm on 10 accident on the road. One rotted rain come down, it white so till me can't see, and with me still they continue to go up. Cause me say something not right. For sure not even call address me now, you know. You know me get call address? When him and the girl they have the altercation and the girl posts her address, I saw me get call her address. Cause them they sit there not even business. I saw me get call her address. And when me reach at the apartment, me head over the apartment, and me look, and the neighbor them come out and say, shooting happen and something and something. And one of the neighbor turn to me and say, but I see the car took its time and it drove out of the apartment. So, I don't know. Me even they turn to me say, I wonder if a Pinky and Carla up there they fight. And Carla shoot Pinky. I'm afraid for call me with Carly. And that me when they say in my mind. Me I say, Jesus Christ, me have to go pay a commissary for Carla right now. Me say me have to go pay a commissary for Carla. Because Carla shoot Pinky and afraid for call me. Cause they up there they fight. Me never when they expect this. Me can't tell you no that. And me there at the apartment in the night and me a search bush everywhere. Me a say, Carla, send me a sign. Send me a sign, please. Send me a sign. Where you take, Carla? Me start search. Me end up at one jail like at the prison. When me go at the gate, the guard I say, this is not the police station. This is the prison. Then give me one next address. Me have to drive one next 3 miles down the road to find the police station. When me do find the sheriff office lock. So one car they come through the gate and me flag down the officer. And me say, officer, please, I'm begging you, help me. My daughter and my granddaughter is missing. I heard that her boyfriend was shot. I don't know which hospital he is. I don't know nothing. Please, me I beg any man go in and care and go up on him computer. And when he go up on him computer, he pull up in name and he tell me the hospital where Pinky there. And me say thank you. And he say, he don't see nothing. No report concerning my daughter or my granddaughter. Head to the hospital and say me can't talk to Pinky. When I got to the hospital, they didn't even have a name for Pinky because he came in unresponsive. He couldn't respond to tell them not even his name. They have him under John Doe. They have him under John Doe. This person asks if him a gunman. Whether him a gunman, thief or not, that ain't have nothing to do with the rising price of salt or flour. All we have with here. I'm just saying. So the negativity, it don't matter now. Me lose out the most. Negativity no copy now. Enough I will lay down. With gunman and thief. I lost the most. These kids don't listen to their parents. And left them parents mourn. When me get to the hospital, at John Doe, they have Pinky under. Pinky not here neither. Pinky a 20-year-old like Carla. The whole of them are pitney. They have him under John Doe and can't talk, he can't tell me what happened. Me say alright then, Pinky get shot and there so. If Carla get shot, they would have her at a baby and mother hospital. As so me I think. Me drive out the whole of Orlando. Is Masania Malcolm and Jordania Reed admitted at this hospital? No. Is Masania Malcolm and Jordania Reed admitted at this hospital? No. I drove until 4 a.m. the morning. Me end up get a hotel and me couldn't sleep. At 6 o'clock come, me up again. Me go at the apartment again and call 911. Then come them and say, Mom, you have to file a missing report. Me start cuss up some bad word and go on bad. And cuss off the police. Then me say if he get shot, something happened to my daughter and my granddaughter. Me feeling and my belly, something happened to them. And me now move. Else me they go call Fox News. Me they go call CNN. Me they go call every news channel in America till you know help me find me pitney. And I saw when me look, me see detective start pulling. This start pulling, cause me start going bad. The grace of God make Pinky wake up. And when Pinky wake up, then contact the police. And him tell them if he take out the oxygen, he want to say something. And him go so, Carla get shot. And the police say, who shoot you? And he only hand cross his heart so, and say, my friend. And I say, which friend that? And he said, the one where we in at the house with we. Me said, Jesus Christ. At that time, the police, them confirm, say, Carla was hurt. A 2 car they have. They have one where broke down and a new one where Pinky mother took out. The car had payment, so therefore there was a tracker on that car. So the detective said, okay, we're gonna track the car and see where the car is with the dealer. The dealer tracked the car, and when the dealer tracked the car, I was standing in the apartment. When me look, forensic team pulling, FBI pulling, US Marshal pulling. Me see everybody I put on them jacket. Me say, bombaras clot. Something alright. Me see everybody down at the bottom part, congregated together and talking. When me look, me see everybody moving towards me. It come like say, me in a one different world, like me a float on the cloud. And the lead detective come to me and say, Miss Reed, we found the car and we found Jordania and Masania deceased. Me I tell you, say, me run across the road, and one car lick me. When me run out in that blood clot, the car lick me. Me run straight in a one car. When me find out, say, me Pitney and me grand Pitney dead. Me couldn't imagine that in my worst enemy I experienced this. I'm still they get persecuted. My name still they pan bloggers. Who no still in my inbox and cuss me and fight me and say me if dead. What have I done to you? I me do uno. Uno in my inbox and cuss me. If one pin drop a man to go be, then go say me. Anything happen, then they call my name. What me do no? Me just ask. Me never have to do this because me no owe nobody no obligation. But me still have to ask. After all that I have been through and still going through and will forever be going through, what have I done to you? Me is a realist and I am a straightforward person. And I'm telling you this. Enough talking me here up on the street and me no listen. Cause here say can't go to court. And a lot of people will mislead you just for you to stray from the facts. I, Latoya Reid, is waiting on the United States justice system to hold on to Dujan. When Dujan is caught and interrogated, then they'll do the rest. It's not up to me. My motto in a life always is an eye for an eye. We all end up blind. A life for a life. We all end up dead. That's my motto. So me no want nobody come call me name about reprisal and about this and that. An eye for an eye, we all will be blind. A life for a life, we all are gonna be dead. Me and my family at Jamaica too. All people that mix me up in a reprisal and my father, my defenseless father is there. My family is there. Somehow we make it out, somehow we didn't, somehow they be still there. So all me go take up badness by my head. At 2 times I see Pinky. I see Pinky funeral day. And I see Pinky when he in a hospital. And nobody can talk. He is the father of my grandchild. And he is the boyfriend of my daughter. That's what she chose. Every man have a right to decide his own destiny. I didn't say that about Marley. And she chose him. So if you don't want to continue to threaten me in my inbox, be my guest. As I told you before, my funeral has been paid for. Any me dead a morning, my mother bingo. My mother bingo. Yeah. These bloggers like, I know your job is to talk, which is fine. Everybody have a different job description. Some of we are lawyers, some of we are doctors, some of we are speakers. But get y'all facts straight. Everything the mother involved, the mother this, the mother. The mother is always the last to know. Learn that. If people on this live and Montego Bay are in Miami area wish to talk the truth, my daughter personally blocked me from her page. When in the pan live, I cuss with the little friend them, a people screenshot it and send it go give me. When they screenshot it and send it come give me, then me class him. And he must say, Mommy, you not even know how it start, you give me wrong. Mommy say, yes, Carla, me have to give you wrong. Because if you never go on a full rules, it wouldn't shit by you. Me have to give you wrong. Carla never write for me. Never. Carla never write for me yet. I'm about him a scam and this and that. A scam and call me every day for money. Scam and me have to pay in car payment. Scam and me have to pay in rent. What a broke scammer. Scam and me have to buy Carly clothes. Scam and me have to buy them food. Come on. You see a lot of us are branded because of our past and our previous environment. Me come from Glendevon or Green Pan, I am going to be branded as a skittle or as a bad man woman. All when you know fuck bad man, then say, oh, that girl they are skittle and that girl they are this and that girl they are that. Me like naked clothes. Until God call me, me go walk naked. So if I that no use, and I try analyze my life, y'all got it wrong. Everybody like different stuff in life. Some walk naked, some conservative. Some are Christians, but yet they are prostitutes. And some of us in the street that you see walk naked don't have a lot of body count. Wanna want me to do? Me telling no plain or straight, me not hide. Me not walk and me not in a fear. If I saw God to call me home by the hands of the perpetrators, that's just it. You see to the way how me feel personally right now, maybe that will even feel better. Every day me wake up, it come like me can't breathe. Like me heart heavy in my chest like All when me drink tea, you know, when you have gas and the gas lodge right there, so I saw me heart feel constantly. My belly just feel weak. Like me have diarrhea, like if me pass gas me that mess up myself. I saw my belly feel every single day. Me mouth dry, me no drink, me no yam. Me lose 20 pounds in a month. I no still upon me. Maybe I'm my destiny. Cause some of us have to end up bad. So maybe this a party of me. Bad road. Me never choose that. Me run from volatile environment. Not because I was involved, but because I wanted better. Me tired of wake up at night time and hear gunshot. Me tired of come see police block off road. So me say, me I try come America and live a better life and change. Change my environment and change and try live better. And it worse, it better me sit down up at Glendevan. It better me sit down up there. Better me sit down up there, cause I would be alive. Because, as me telling you before, these bloggers get young before uno say stuff. Me hurt. That's why I come and talk. Because me know say no go so. For a funeral day me no move. Me can't move. 24 hours anymore. We fi move further. Me no know what to do. What me go do? Me no work in a 1 month. And me bless. Me no work in a 1 month and my company still pay me. Cause of how you live. Me lie down in my bed and me still get paid. Me don't know if I move. Alright, what? Me not even know today hour. If me don't look at my phone, me don't know cause me just lie down and lock up by myself. Me don't know if I do. Me don't know if I go to a grocery store, go get grocery. I don't know if I should go to the store to buy something. I just don't know what to do or how to move forward. Today is in the week and today I would be at this present moment at work. Me that day I work and take a break and call me baby for FaceTime. I used to. And I used to lie down by me damn self. Secluded from the world. Then put up like they want compromise me safety. Oh, Pinky there me yard and this and that. Me can't tell her that. You see that little boy there? All when Carla cuss me behind in front of my face, him cuss me behind my back. He afraid to even come near me because he think that I blame him for what happened to them. And I am not like that. Put you all Pinky in your Pinky the eye them. He having family them. He having family them. And he friends. Pinky afraid of me. Cause he fear that I am blaming him for 24 hours. You understand? Something. So he fear me in a one little sense. I can't stop the bloggers them from talk shit about me. But if you not talk the right and proper thing, then me would have, cause me feel away, you know. Me feel away. Me feel how we on the chat about 10 people get shoot up. Me not even know where they go on to Jamaica if you know what they happen. And the mother this and the mother that. What the mother have to do with it? What the mother have to do with everything? Why the mother? What me couldn't not talk and always a caller she me always a talk to caller, me always a cuss caller, me always a cuss and that enough to talk about me. One time a year and mash me and call and not chat. Cause I not that me when want fame. Here and mash me not chat to me pitney because me not like going to live on the idiot life. When me go see the apartment, at the first me they go up a college and I went in dead. And when me go up there because somebody would come and say, look what college left in yard to come live. Me not live a shaky place America. People say they owe me this and me that and me rare. Me not live a shaky community. For you come through my gate to the bank straight till you left. Other day me dash you one paper in a me complex. And when me look a letter me get under me door for $75 for littering. I said to myself when me drive in where Carla Shea live. Mr. Carla Shea really left in good yard come yes I can't live. Me they go up the step them and me afraid. Me no better off than people but me not left Jamaica and come live certain life America just to say me live a foreign. Me not do it. For some me go back a me yard cause me need to live shaky at Jamaica. Me shorty, you say a pinky cause me daughter dead. Yes, but me forgive him. If a that you say young miss, that's fine. Somebody go cause somebody dead at some point. Me shorty, I forgive him. If that's your opinion. Everybody have a right for an opinion. You say so, but I am a forgiving. I forgive him. Me forgive him. When me go there walk around with hurt in my heart towards that little boy and him call a stay when choose. Me forgive him. He not even want call me, no one come near me. I'm 24 hours. Me forgive. The only person me can't forgive is Dojan Griffiths. An eye for an eye. If me not take up my phone and say, yo, kill people for call and call it, what type of person would I be? An eye for an eye, you all end up blind. A life for a life, you all end up dead. And me go repeat that till the day me dead. An eye for an eye, you end up blind. A life for a life, you end up dead. If me that go take up my phone and say, kill people at Jamaica for me pitney. Want to me father, want to me cousin them, want to me blood clot uncle them, no excuse me language. Me a place to put them. It have to stop somewhere. And anybody wants to me an informer, be my guest. I'm working with the law. And at them me I work with. Cause them a help me and them a protect me. Then come a funeral, then give me police escort, then drive behind me. Me there me yard every 2 minutes me see one car pull up. Every 2 minutes me see one car pull up in a me complex and blow me. And them me I work with cause them a protect me. And then say, mother, if you feel away, give us a call. All when I know nobody. When me go up to Orlando and me drive in at the complex, me I repeat it. Me say, Jesus Christ Almighty God, I wake all a shell left in yard, go live at them a place, yeah. And he have a nice house. Me give call a shell me master bedroom. And bathroom, cause me say have a baby. Me try. Ask anybody a man to go be a Jamaica, me take care of my pitney. Everybody run me and left for them like a pussy. Me run with for me. Me run with him. And give him green card and take care of him. So if him come big and want choosing life, it's up to her. What me go do? Get up there, eat Pinky, me fi eat him. And that you know what me fi do? Eat him for what? Me tell you before. The first day me chat to Pinky at the hospital. And the second day me see my funeral. The only thing he do is text me. And check for me. If you eat him.
Jah know my people, I can only imagine how she feel, you know. Yeah, and real, I can only imagine how she feel. You see, and in my point of view, I think that she's trying to look at the situation in some positive ways. You see me I say? Yeah, I just presented to you a video that shows a female. In the video, the female talked about her daughter who had been shot and killed, allegedly by a person who goes by the name of Dujan Griffiths. The reason why I said allegedly is because of how the whole courthouse system go. You know, it is said that a person is innocent until proven guilty. All right, so the whole incident happened within United States of America. Since here within the year 2021 it happened. You see it? The body of her daughter and her grandchild had been found in a motor vehicle located somewhere within the United States of America. It is said that her daughter had been shot and killed, and according to investigators, it is suspected or believed that the granddaughter died from heat because of how hot it was for the child to be in the motor vehicle for a certain amount of time. You see me I say? So both persons was found in the motor vehicle dead. You see me? Or the body of those persons was found in the motor vehicle. You see me? Yeah, just presented the video to you so that you can hear the things that she said. You see me I say? She basically just talk about the whole situation. You know, in my point of view, she vented about the whole situation. You see it? It's rough, my people. It's rough. You know, it's rough. Anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. Here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. On the big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.